inhalation machine number HIN 17.2, and this machine has the hydrogen and oxygen mix style and just the hydrogen style. And we also have the other style. It's the hydrogen inhalation machine number HIN 17 and just have the one hydrogen outlet. And this is the model have the two hydrogen outlets. And then I will show you how to connect the hydrogen and the oxygen. The first is the most important. We have the accessories to connect the weight bottles. And now I will show you how to install them. First we need to show you. And then we will use the... Now we install them like this. And this one is the weight bottles, and if the machine is the working time, you will see the hydrogen in the bottles, and the bottle will have some bubbles, and then you will see the hydrogen output. And because the hydrogen before we use will shoot the bottles, and then the hydrogen will with some water, and then will suitable with ours use the hydrogen. And now the weight bottle will connect in there, and then I will show you how to connect the hydrogen and the oxygen. When we reset the machine, we will have some accessories. We have the 6-piece hydrogen connect tube, and the 1-piece the oxygen connect tube, and the hydrogen inhalation tube. And now I will show you how to connect them. First, we use the two tubes to connect the hydrogen outlet and the weight bottle like this. Remember, it's connect the hair and not the hydrogen outlet. And then we use the other connect tube to connect the weight bottle. And then we need to use the 3-head adapter to connect the hydrogen outlet. And then we use the connect tube to connect the hydrogen outlet like this. This is the over the hydrogen outlet. And the step 2, we need to use the oxygen connect tube to connect the oxygen outlet. And then use the connect tube to connect the oxygen. And then we have the second 3-head adapter to connect the oxygen and the hydrogen. And the last but not least, we need to connect the hydrogen inhalation tube. And then this is the over to connect the hydrogen and oxygen. And when we put them in our hairs, and when the machine is working, we will inhale some hydrogen and oxygen. This is the over. This style is just the hydrogen outlet style, and let me show you how to connect the hydrogen inhalation tube. And first we need to connect the hydrogen outlet and the weight bottle. Like this. And the second, we need to connect the weight bottle and the hydrogen inhalation tube. And then the important, we need to use the 3-head adapter to connect the two tubes. And then connect this tube have the connect water accessories. And this head, we need to connect the hydrogen inhalation tube. And sometimes it's a set when you reset. And then this is just the hydrogen style. And when the machine is working, we will inhale some hydrogen. And this is the over when we install them. This is our machine display, and this you can choose the hydrogen outlet 300 ml per minute, 600 ml per minute. And this is the time you can choose 1 hour, 2 hours, and 3 hours. And this is the TDS line. When the water more than the TDS more than 5, the line will have the red line. And this is the imbalance because our machines will use in the desk with the balance. And then this is the low water level because our machine will use the 2 per minute the water. And this is the working time when the machine working normal. We have the green light in here. And this is the customer style because our basic style is the white. The color is white, and if you want to change the color or adapt your logos, we also can customize them, and we accept OEM and ODM. If you like, you can change the color.